Park Street, Kolkata. I study in class 3. I am a very little chef. I love to do cooking. So in this chance I am doing the cooking today. So here is my mama. Camera mama. She is worried.
Hello, Namaskar India. This is my son. He is Devraj Mehta. He is 8 years old. He loves to do cooking, and today I am the helper. And he will do everything, but a little bit, this is the first time he will do the flammable thing. So I will be with him, and he will do. Say, what do you want to say?
So friends, let's start. So this is my menu, and today we will do Kolkata's mini English fish thali. And this is my menu: steamed rice, fried brinjal, fried English fish, fried papad, steamed English fish, salad, gondura, ghot. So this is the menu, and you know that the thali has many things, so I am very small and mini. That's why my thali is also mini. So the first menu one is steamed rice. I have done the steamed rice. We all know how to do the steamed rice. I didn't waste time. I have done with my help of my mother in the pressure cooker. So I am doing the fried things first. The first fried thing is fried brinjal. I have given the turmeric and the salt onto it. Now I have to put it in the pressure cooker.
In the pan.
Pan.
Let it fry. You see, this is the mustard oil.
And this is the mustard oil I have put.
Okay, bolo cast.
So the fried brinjal is ready. This I have to put. So the second one of the fried thing is fried English fish.
See, this is the oil.
This is the oil, and I have put it on the turmeric and salt. কি বলবো? So look at my fried fish. It is ready. So I am taking it out.
Go to side.
So now I am going to fry the papad.
Okay. Now, wait. It's like the hiccup.
So my papad is ready. So this is the main food of this thali. It is steamed English fish, means English bhapa. It is famous for Bengali. I love it eating. So I have done all of this. I have kept the raw English mash, and with that I have given bay leaves. See, these are the bay leaves. I have done this in the mixie. You have to take 2 of them every spoon. Only the turmeric, the half spoon, and the salt half. So I am taking the ingredients, and the ingredients are English fish, mustard oil, mustard, jeera, chili. the mustard, jeera and chili, we have to mix it. And turmeric, salt and bay leaf are the mix again with this fish. Friends, I am taking 2 spoons of every, but in the turmeric and the salt, half. So I have kept a bowl of water. It is a half. You have to take half water. So I will mix this in this water. Okay. So I am taking it. So this is the big fish now. That's why I have to take a lot of. And this is turmeric. And this is the salt. Now I am mixing. We have to mix it well. So friends, I have mixed it. It is mixed very well. So I am putting the mustard oil on this fish. For 10 minutes I have to cook it. Then I will open it. So I have to give this to. So friends, the Ilish bhappu is ready. Wow, the smell.
So let's open, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely smell. Come friends, come. Do not delay. Come. Are Ilish bhappu is ready.
So now we are going to keep it on the plate because he's very small now. I don't want to touch it because it's very hot. So this thing I will put it on this plate. Okay, Debraj?
Okay. Look friends, the Ilish match is ready. Come. Don't waste your time. Come to Kolkata and eat my fish. Yummy taste. This is famous for Bengali. Very excited. So I am doing the salad. Here is the salad. The ingredients of the salad are cucumber, onion, tomato and a big green chili. It's just like a flower. Means salad flower. So the last one of the Kolkata's mini Ilish fish thali is Rajko. So friends, let me take the ingredients. So the ingredients of the Rajko is yogurt, sugar, lemon, and it is Gandharaj lebu. So friends, the Gandharaj ghol is like of a lassi, but lassi is thick. But Gandharaj ghol is not thick. You have to pour more water. So I have 2 spoons of sugar. First I have to take the the yogurt. 2 spoons of yogurt. The lemon. We have to mix it first. Smells. The smelling very nice. The smell. We have to mix it very well. Remember, the Gondoraj ghole needs more water. This is the Gondoraj lebu. We need this part of the upper part because it has the smell. So, take very less.
I can help you.
Yeah?
I can help you.
Yeah.
No, it's not too much. It's very less. That's all. Now you mix it again.
Yep, I will mix it.
Be slow.
This is going to be heavy. At the last, we have to pour it in a glass. So I poured it in the glass. We have to pour more of it. It gives a nice smell. The smell is also coming.
That's all. That's all.
Now the Gondoraj ghole is ready. Friends, they're all done, all done.
Hi friends, I hope you all liked it. This is the whole thali he has made. Please all of you, I just want to say that please you give your blessings. आपका आशीर्वाद देना कि और आगे तक जा पाए.
So friends, the dish name is Kolkata's mini English fish thali, and we check my menu. Steamed rice, fried brinjal, fried English fish, steamed English fish, English papa, yummy, fried papad, salad, over here, Gondoraj ghole, and every thali has a sweet thing. So I know that I don't have sweets, so I put dahi in it. Some people are having sugar. So friends, thank you for watching. So friends, this is a mini thali. You will get many thalis in the world, but you will not get this thali in the world because this is my recipe. Thank you so much. And this smell of Gondoraj ghole and the steamed English fish, very tasty. So friends, if you like my dishes, please comment, share and like on my video.